Good morning everyone. Basa na tayo ng kapalaran ni Ralph lang yung pag-vlogs. Sagittarius, nood na atin to. Ay, akin pala. July 22, 2021, Venus conjunct Jupiter. This is an excellent aspect for music, artistic endeavors, or a romantic evening. Schedules will move along quite well now, and spending sprees can be source of joy. Last-minute rescues from touchy situations can occur, and you may find that Lady Luck has some surprises in store for you. Really? Thank you. Good feelings surround you and let them spill onto others. This is a natural position for love, money, friends, and experiences when the power of magnetism is yours. Traveling for pleasure will be most rewarding, and you may meet someone very exciting on this trip. In the romance department, and this person may be quite different than yourself. July 23, 2021 makes Mercury sextile Pluto. Yung mga ganyan guys, meron yung meaning. Kaya lang hindi ko binabasa sa inyo. Tsaka hindi ko pa rin binabasa, tinatamad pa ako. Wala pa akong time. Yung ganitong yung sa mga yan eh. Yung mga planeta na nung una hindi ko talaga maintindihan yan, pero ganun pala talaga. Kaya nababasa ng mga astrologer yung mga signs natin through planet. Yun. This is a very spiritual attuned time in which new insights can be gained into the world. Wala, na ko lang to sa professional astrologer ko. Ganun siya magbasa ng horoscope ko eh. This is a very spiritually attuned time in which new insights can be gained into the world. Your thinking may be off in the edges of outer space. Somewhere now, so wait until you come back to Earth to make decisions. Recreational clubs and activities can flourish, and the potential for writing. Wala. Dalawang lang tayo guys. Hinto na tayo. Mag-work na tayo. Ulit. July 23, 2021, Mercury sextile Pluto. This is a very spiritually attuned time in which new insights can be gained into the world. Can be gained. Gained. Gained into the world. Your thinking may be off in the edges of outer space somewhere now, so wait until you come back to Earth to make decisions. Ano to? Parang lutang sa ere. Recreational clubs and activities can flourish, and the potential for writing or speaking to others is very favorable now. Be on the alert for positive trends in business and finance. You may be able to take advantage of it for your own personal use. The accuracy of interpretations and personal insights are profound at this time. Paying attention to details can uncover some wonderful facets of your life. So, practice positive thinking or mental stability. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, na kailangan positive think. Yung in a positive way parati. Lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin to eh. So, practice positive thinking for mental stability. Your perceptions are right on target, so make sure to pay attention to your own little voice. Be flexible and willing to bend when dealing with others. You possess the ability to comfort others in their time of need. Okay. Courage is abundant to face the future now, and any dealings and communications with other people is favored. You can act as a mediator for people experiencing conflicts. Ito ang pinakaayaw ko eh. Yung hindi naman sa kasi pakiramdam ko kasi para ka manghihimasok. So, minsan ayoko rin talaga maging mediator. Or go over your personal finances and make the necessary changes. Advise and counsel others if you are asked. Kung may manghihingi lang daw ng advice, yun, mabigay ka. Advise and counsel others if you are asked. Yun. So, hanggang July 23 lang tayo. Mahaba-haba rin. Bye everyone. God bless.